just got done restoring this for our 75 Chevy truck. What are you thinking? Does it look factory original, brand new, or?
Beautiful.
Yeah, this looks replaced.
Yeah, it's all brand new.
This looks replaced.
Exactly.
That's original.
So let me ask you a question, Bruce. Yeah, this is original. That's original. Now,
even the heater box looks new.
That's not new. I restored that.
That looks good.
That's the original
good
19.
job.
Can you bring that camera over here and show everybody?
If I get too close, I
That's
can't see
original
everybody.
1975. Now look what we got. This is what it looked like originally. You see,
yeah.
that's
New heater core in there.
that's not a heater core.
Well,
that's an evaporator. Right.
Wow.
So, you know, when I restore a car, I kind of do it the best way I can and restore it to the magnitude that I would drive the car. Kind of like this right here, see? Okay.
Yep.
So this is my car. You guys already looked at it. You've seen the beautiful finish on it,
Yep.
what it looks like.
Yep.
What do you think?
I'm ready for the same finish on my car.
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
So we got Bruce and Lydia here. They came all the way from the state. Over here, Bruce, Minnie's Point. Watch her hands when she's filming, bud. She's the director,
Yeah,
okay?
don't get way out there.
There, she's the director, dude. She's
Over
the
here, Bruce.
camera girl person.
Bruce, closer.
Okay, so we got Bruce and Lydia. Now, this is their beautiful car. Now, you said this was your brother-in-law's car,
Brother-in-law Steve's.
and you bought it from him. Now, was that your brother?
No.
No.
This was before.
Yes.
Okay, so this is his brother-in-law's car, and it's a two-way situation. He's restoring the car in dedication to his brother that passed away from cancer, and also making a beautiful car that him and his lovely wife Lydia can take to the little car shows in town, possibly go get an ice cream over at wherever, and just have a good time every now and then.
Yep.
Right, because when I first met you, you were asking me, "Oh, do you think I ought to put air conditioning in my garage?" No, I don't think you need to do that. Would you say so, Minnie?
No.
I think he's afraid that the paint might crack or melt.
No, it won't.
Okay.
It
So
should.
we're going to take a look at Bruce's car. We're going to get a little history on it, what he's done to it, and Lydia is excited for him to get this going. Now, you said something that he had this car, and I guess you own some boats too, according to Lydia, or what
Lots
happened,
of
Lydia?
projects.
Come on over here. Let's get Lydia's story.
He wasn't doing stuff for himself. He was doing stuff for other people. He had lots of boats and stuff. I said, let's get rid of one of the boats, put the money into the Corvette, you deserve it, and restore it, and start getting some of this stuff done and let you enjoy it.
Okay.
So that's what we did. We offed one of my boats that I've had since 1988, and we got rid of the boat, but we have all the memories, and then
Yeah.
now we're moving on to the
Corvette.
Corvette project,
Corvette.
and we want to restore it, and
Take it to Green Valley, where we have
Yeah.
a house in Arizona, and just drive it around where it deserves to be.
yep,
There you go. New memories.
yep.
New memories. A memory of a Corvette. Now, you just told everybody what kind of car it was. I was going to surprise them. They didn't know
Did I
until you
say
said
that?
Corvette.
Oh,
Or
well.
did he?
I was going to walk outside and say, look at this beautiful car that we're going to restore. It's kind of an unveiling.
Oh, dang it.
But that's okay.
Is that Bill?
Bilbo?
The guy, the little guy.
Bill
Mr.
from...
Bill.
Mr. Bill.
I don't think that's him, but he looks
He
like
looks
him.
just like
Yeah.
Candy Corn and Mr. Bill.
There you
I
go.
belong here.
So, back to the situation. Okay, we don't have you in the camera,
Oh,
Lydia.
sorry.
You were just
I
kind of
thought we
getting
were
mad at
done.
Bruce because he was moving out. So what we got here, we got a 1961 Corvette. Bruce came all the way down here. Now, I met Bruce through my videos, I guess. Is that right?
Yeah, about 9 months ago. we
And he
started.
questioned me down like he was interrogating me like the FBI to make sure that I was an upstanding guy.
Yep.
And we came to the conclusion that we're going to go ahead and do his car as long as I don't get pressured on the time schedule. That's the real situation here, Bruce.
Exactly. We're
Okay, 'cause
good on time pressure.
The last time I talked to you on the phone, I think it was your brother-in-law, your buddy.
No,
or
it's my buddy
some-
Phil.
So your buddy Phil was there. You texted me and said, now don't forget, I'm coming back on through here in May, and I'm over there telling Minnie, look, I don't know if I want to do this guy's car. He's already putting pressure on me. So we are at the conclusion, right? We're making this square. No
Pressure's
pressure.
off.
No pressure.
Okay.
No pressure.
Because I actually had a customer, and Minnie can verify this. We were building him a 34 Ford convertible, and I think I had 5 or 6 of those I was building. I actually built 478 kit cars.
Oh, wow.
I'm very knowledgeable with street rods, hot rods, engines, wiring, the whole 9 yards. He came to my office and said, Pete, we need to have a talk. I'm coming over tonight. We got to have a meeting. I said, okay. His name was Curry Cross. He comes over. What did he tell us? When I sat down at my desk, what did he tell us?
I don't have very many more summers left.
So basically, he said, I don't have very many summers left, Pete, and what is it going to take for me? How much money do I got to pay you to put everybody else in the back of your shop and finish my car now? Just dedicate yourself to my car. I don't care what the price is. I will pay you. What did I tell him, Minnie the body shop girl?
No amount of money can make me do that.
So does that make sense to you guys?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I mean, what I'm trying to say here, I've had a lot of people come up, they put pressure on, you know, it's kind of like you used to work as a welder.
Yes.
So if your boss came up and said, you need to do that 35-foot weld in 2 hours,
I'd tell him go to hell.
okay. We're going to call this little episode, This Old Car. Have you ever heard of This Old House?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, this
Watch
one's going to be called This Old Car.
Okay.
All right.
When we
I
look
like
at the
it.
car, we might call it a Corvette again, but from here on out, it's basically This Old
This old car.
Okay, let's go look at your car.
Let's do it.
All right, here we are outside with the car in 100-degree weather. This is actually take 3 on this. Let's hurry up and do this, Bruce.
Because I'm burning up.
I'm burning up too. That's why I was in the
Washington
shade, buddy.
State. This is pretty hot.
Yeah. So we got this old car sitting outside. It's a 1961 Corvette. Beautiful car. It looks like the original paint job. Is it the original paint job, Bruce?
I'm going to say no.
Okay.
I don't think so.
So you think this car's been painted before at one time in its life?
Yeah, I believe it has been.
Okay.
Yeah, I do believe it's been painted
Right.
before, and I want it completely taken down to the glass. And
All right, we're going to strip it down to bare fiberglass. Got that. We're going
Yep.
to strip all the chrome off.
Yep, all trim.
Now, what about the top? What's going on with that?
Well, it's in really good shape. Probably replace the bottom rubber on it, and then just shoot the top.
Yeah.
This is in storage all the time. I
All
don't
right.
need a top on a Corvette.
Got it.
If it needs a top, I'm not driving it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to go ahead and paint it, but we're not going to strip that. The top is in really good condition. The chrome is actually in really good condition. To remove all this chrome on this old car is a real nightmare, just to let you know.
Oh yeah.
So we still got to deal with the windshield as it is. Let's just go ahead. We'll leave all this chrome on there, even though it's got this little speck right there.
Yeah.
Do you see that? You can take care of that later, or I can probably polish that out and get it looking really, really nice. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking most of it'll come
That'll
out.
probably look really good. Since it's going to be in storage most of the time, who cares? Another thing is we're talking about tops. You were talking about possibly redoing the top brand new, the convertible top itself and the frame structure.
Yeah, the frame, it definitely needs sandblast and a coat of fresh paint, and
Okay.
we'll put a new top on it, soft
We'll
top.
go ahead and get a new top. We'll probably take it over to Duncan's and take it up to Grand Junction and have that done. I noticed that we got some bad body lines going over here. I don't know what's going on. I don't even know if you can see it in this picture here. As we look right here, we can see the chrome is buckled up right here.
Yeah, there's a little.
See that buckle right here?
Yeah, there's a bow right in here.
There's something going on here. And then as we look right here, there's a bow over here too, and you can see that with the chrome. Do you see that right there? See how the chrome buckles out? It sticks out right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's not straight like it's supposed to be all the way around.
I think in the past history, I think somebody ran this thing in the ditch.
I think that's what happened.
And they scuffed it up down here,
Okay.
and they might have pinched it a little bit in here. So we won't know the mystery until we get the paint
We won't know
off
the
of it.
mystery. We got to strip this thing down and get the paint off. I'm thinking what we're going to do to strip this, we're going to go ahead and hand strip it and see how that works first. These old Corvettes, I'm going to tell you about these old cars, is they don't have gel coat.
Right.
There's no gel coat and it's raw fiberglass. You got to be very, very careful. I do have a guy that can blast it, and he's one of the best blasters I've ever seen. But we're going to try to hand strip it first and see what goes on there. We're going to remove all the trim on it. It's going to go down to bare fiberglass and completely restore the outside of the vehicle itself. We're going to come in here. We're going to open the door just like that. And we're going to go ahead and restore the inside of the vehicle as well to match the outside. I noticed you got new interior here, Bruce. What's going on with that?
We'll have complete new interior for the car. I had the seats sent back to Pennsylvania. I had them redone by the professionals.
Yeah.
And I was very disappointed at the bottom of the seat how the it's not tucked in tight.
Okay.
Can I loosen it up? Yeah.
Can I throw my 2 cents in? I don't know what kind of professional you had do this, but that is not professional. He didn't even put foam in there. You can see. Look at this. This is ridiculous. That whole seat needs to be refoamed. So everything on the underneath is brand new. You've done brake lines, fuel lines, you painted the frame, you got the underneath of the car done. Everything's done as far as the bottom of the car goes.
Yeah,
is that correct, Bruce?
The suspension's all complete. New new rubber, new fuel tank, new brakes, copper nickel brake lines. I put in a dual pot master cylinder so that the thing will stop.
That's awesome.
It's not power, but it's a dual pot.
Okay, so are these disc brakes on the front?
No, this is all
four-wheel
semi-metallic brakes. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we're going to get a good look at this engine that he's got. Beautiful engine that is. Now, you were calling this a L87 or?
No, it's a L79.
L79. Now, what's the decipheration code on an L79? What is that?
This is a 1966 block in it, and an RPO L79 motor was a 350 horse hydraulic cam. It was the hottest.
Okay.
It was the hottest 327 you could buy back in the mid 60s. And so this is a fresh motor. I changed it over to an aluminum
radiator with electric fan.
With electric fan, and I put a 85 amp.
Generator.
No, it's an alternator stuffed in a generator box.
Yeah.
There's a guy down in Texas that builds these.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it
keeps it all original.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a tack drive.
That's a unique tack drive on that. That's only on a Corvette. Am I correct?
61 was the last year.
61 was the last year.
62 they went off the distributor on them.
Okay, Bruce. It looks like we're on our way to success. We're going to get this thing done for you. We're going to do it right, and we're going to make sure that it's done right, because that's the only way my friend Pete does it, is right.
That's right.
My old saying is do it right, do it right, do it right, because if you don't do it right, you're not doing it at all, Bruce.
Yep.
Right there.
Right on.
So let's go ahead and get that down. It's hot. We're going to finish this little episode out. Okay, Lydia, you were supposed to be outside with us.
That's okay. I'm a
Just
little.
and look, you drank all of
Bruce's water.
Bob Charlie's water.
Grandpa's water.
You drank all of his water.
That's what I do.
Okay, Bruce. Shake your hand, make a friend.
Okay,
We'll see you later.
Yeah. So let me offload some parts.
We're gonna go out there right now and do that, and then we're gonna send you guys down the road, and we'll see you when we see you.
Absolutely.
Now, don't make a surprise visit over here.
Never.
It's not gonna happen.
I don't want you to come over here and I'm working on this, and you come in, hey, why are you working on that car?
The only visit you're gonna get from me is when I turn my TV on and watch.
Okay, well, what about going to Arizona?
We fly.
We fly.
Oh, you don't drive out there?
That's miserable.
Oh, okay. If you see a video and my friend Pete's cussing and hollering and getting mad, don't take it personal. It's not about you.
Subscribe.
It's about the old car. That's right, Lydia. Subscribe. We got to go. Take it easy. Okay, so there you go. Episode 1, this old car. You saw it. This is the old car, and that's the car that we're going to restore. 1961 Chevy Corvette. And it's going to be beautiful. We're going to paint this car Dodge Viper red. I tried to talk him into doing two-tone white and red. He said, no, I want a solid red. He's going to get solid red, and that's what it's going to be. It's going to be red.
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.